Guys, today I got here the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and I'm going to be showing you how to set up this device. So let's go ahead and just let it power on. And here we go. And you will be greeted by this welcome sign. You can choose whatever language you want. So you could do Spanish, French, I'm assuming that's Italian, I don't know, Italian, whatever. But obviously I'm going to use English, so you're going to hit start. And then just for your review, agree. And by default, this will be turned off, but you can just hit whatever you want, and you can read the details of everything, whether you agree or not. So, and just hit agree. And then you could do it okay. So you're going to be greeted with this easy setup with another device through a Galaxy or Android device or iPhone and or iPad. So just going to set up manually. Choose a Wi-Fi network. So I'm just going to use data. Hit skip unless you want to continue with a Wi-Fi. That's completely up to you. And then it's just going to say getting your phone ready. So give this, it's time to do that. It may take a few minutes, it says. There we go. Okay, so copy apps and data. So you can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google accounts, and more. So I'm just going to hit don't copy. Checking information. Checking info. Just give this a few seconds. It shouldn't take long. Okay, so you have the option to sign it into Google if you want, but just for the video, I'm just going to skip it. Skip. Google services. You can read through all this and accept it if you want to. You can have security. So you have face recognition, fingerprints, PIN, password, pattern. I'm just going to skip for now. I'll skip anyway. Getting your phone ready. And then a Samsung account, and I do have one, obviously, and I'm going to add it, but just for now, what do you do? I'm going to set up later in settings. Okay, so you're going to hit forgot password or don't have an account. I'll take a screenshot so you guys can see it a little bit better. This app doesn't allow screenshots. Okay, never mind. Okay, then hit setup later in settings, and then just skip. Customization service, if you want to accept to this, you can. Choose your light or dark theme. I always have my phone light. I don't really like dark theme. Taking care of your phone. This is just for the Galaxy Z Flip 5. So it just says, don't press on the screen in front of the camera lens with hard or sharp object, such as pen or fingernail, may cause damage such as scratches or dents. And then when you fold the phone, make sure there's nothing inside, such as cards, keys, I guess, or coins, but I'm not sure. A card would be the only thing I could see inside of the phone. This phone isn't dust resistant. Exposure to small particles such as sand may cause damage. This phone is water resistant, IPX8. The X means it's not rated for dust. Immersion in any liquid other than fresh water, such as salt water or alcohol, can damage your phone. Don't remove the screen protector or the protective film on the main screen or apply other films or stickers. Not sure why you put a sticker on, but as doing so can damage your screen. Then it says your phone contains magnets. Keep it away from credit cards and devices that may be affected by magnets, and at least 6 inches away. Okay, you can read the rest of it. And can I take a screenshot of this? Because I'm done with reading. There we go. And I'll put that up so you guys can see. And that says you're all set, and just hit finish. And there is your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Oops. All set up. As you can see, this is running One UI 6. All these have just little things. And this is the official version of One UI 6. It's not like a beta anymore. It is officially released, so that's really nice. Yeah, so that is how you set up a Galaxy Z Flip 5. And if you're interested in how to kind of customize your device to the way you like it, that video will be linked right here at the end of the video. It literally is the end. And also a video on how to set up the Galaxy Watch 6 with your new phone, or that also applies to any Galaxy Watch. That video will be right here. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. See you then.